Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making some Coon tacos. This recipe includes chili powder, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, an apple, corn tortillas, and an onion. Just like the last video, we're gonna put the coon in the boiling water for a few hours until tender. Make sure you take out the water after the first boil. After the second and third boil, you're good to go. This was already the third time boiling the raccoon. Now we're going to take out all the water and then put all the seasonings in. To the pot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add a touch of water at the bottom of the pot to give the raccoon juice, and cover it until fully tender. Now my grandpa is here cutting the apples to give the raccoon a caramelized flavor. Similar to the last video, remember to remove the bones and add the dish into the air fryer toaster oven at 400 degrees for an hour. Now it's time to get to the taco part. Many people have been wondering, is there a hack for cutting onions so I won't cry? Well, there is. One hack for cutting onions is to soak the onion in cold water and place a damp paper towel next to it on the cutting board. You know what they say, there's a hack for everything. And no more suffering ever again. This right here is a green jalapeno pepper. Every dinner that me and my grandpa have, we always gotta have them jalapeno peppers. These fresh green jalapeno peppers would always make my mouth go into flames. Okay, we have the green jalapeno peppers, onions, guacamole, and sour cream done. It's time to fire up the cast iron pan and cook the corn tortillas for at least 1 minute per side. 2 Coon tacos for my grandpa and 2 Coon tacos for me. Everybody else in my house is missing out. You realize I'm using a taco rack for the corn tortillas. Without these, it would be hard to make tacos. Look at that. This is already smelling rich and flavorful. Now it's time to doctor up the Coon tacos, and I already got the corn tortillas on the taco racks. For the Coon tacos, I'm going to start off with adding the raccoon at the bottom. Next, we got our diced onions. Me and my grandpa love onions, that we can't resist eating tacos without them. Next, we add the guacamole. Next, we add the sour cream. Then, the Mexican-style cheese. And last but not least, the jalapenos for a spicy taste. I finished plating my tacos, now I'm gonna plate my grandpa's. I'm pretty much gonna do the same, just without sour cream. My grandpa doesn't like sour cream, only because he thinks it's the same as mayonnaise, which is something that my grandpa hates with a passion. Any white sauce he sees, he assumes it's mayonnaise. I don't like mayonnaise either, but I like sour cream. La mayonesa, eso fue lo que mató a mi primo, dijo mi abuelo. Anyways, the food is done, and now we can have a feast. I'm going to give these Coon tacos a taste, and I won't cap. These Coon tacos are delicious. These Coon tacos offer a unique blend of flavors with tender, succulent meat complemented by a rich and slightly gamey undertone. Woo! These Coon tacos taste as though they are crafted by a gourmet chef. The meat savory notes are enhanced by the aromatic spices and seasonings, while the crispy texture of the taco shell provides a satisfying contrast. Overall, they present a savory and adventurous culinary experience. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And y'all wanna eat them Coon tacos?